a high quality, high profile project to deliver, and I think we worked really closely with LED Studio. Communication was really strong, and we were able to sort of deliver on time and on budget for the client, which was crucial. My name is Michael Kitchen. I'm the Managing Director at Morgans Consult. Morgans Consult are a creative signage and brand implementation company. We are based in Cardiff, but we service clients across the whole of the UK. We've been working with Wales Millennium Centre for around 15 years. We were approached by them originally when they were given funding for the £4 million in refurbishment of the centre. At that stage, we sort of stepped in to try and advise them on this sort of centrepiece of the refurbishment, which is the large 16-metre digital display. When we were looking at this project, we sort of reviewed a number of other technologies on the market, such as projections, LCD displays. We sort of realised that the brief from the client really needed sort of cutting-edge technology. It needed a seamless display to run across the whole area. We didn't want any bezels, we didn't want anything interrupting the design or graphics. And really sort of the LED technology enabled us the versatility to have a completely bespoke solution that would fit within that space. One of the things that really appeals to us about sort of LED displays is the sustainability aspect of it. Though there's the initial outlay and there are the power requirements of the signage, there's significantly reduced waste and also the life of the product, and its interchangeability is unparalleled. So even though print work has obviously been a large part of our business historically, this is why we're so interested to explore and really promote digital displays, because we do feel as though it does set a sustainable future for our clients. We feel that this is an area that's really going to become the sort of foundation for the future growth for the business. So we're very excited by that. What's important to us is that we partner up with the right companies and the right products. We found LED Studio to be a very well-aligned partner for us as a business. The main reason we wanted to partner up with LED Studio is that we knew we had a guarantee. It was British designed, British owned company with British-based support as well. And it was really important to us that we could deliver a high-quality product that we knew would be supported in the coming years. And we wouldn't have the reliability issues that you may have with other products. When this project arose, there was only one company that we'd want to deliver that project with. We found that their service levels have continued as we've always expected, which has been to a really high level, highly professional throughout. Also a big advantage with LED Studio is that they've got the facilities based in the UK. This means that the goods come direct from the factory, they're assembled and tested, and also the client can attend and sort of view the product as we sent representatives across, which is highly reassuring and enables us to sort of problem solve or fault find any issues at that stage. Also test and trial content before we're on site. It's another part of the service that LED Studio offer, which is probably above and beyond those other companies on the market. And again, is a reason why it's important to partner with a company like this on a project that's so iconic as this one. To find more information from Morgans Consult and what we offer, you can look on our website. It's morgansconsult.com, and contact us directly there, and we'll be happy to help you with your inquiry.